Cat has 1 yarn ball. Cat like fish. 1 yarn ball, 5 fish. Cat happy. Cat feel rich. Every week, cat pays 1 yarn ball. Cat gets 5 fish. Always same. Belly full. Life good. But one day, cat pays 1 yarn ball, but cat only gets 4 fish. Next week, only 3. Cat confused. Cat sad. Cat feel poor. Cat learns this is inflation. Cat looks at empty bowl. Cat tummy growls. Cat goes to fish store.
No.
1 yarn not enough. If cat want maintain lifestyle, cat needs more yarn. Cat learns purchasing power falls. Now cat give 5 yarn balls, only gets 2 fish. But cat's shocked. Cat says, I pay double. Cat learns cost of living rises. Cat goes to fish store again. Cat pays 1 yarn ball. Cat only gets 2 fish. Cat thinks, before, 1 yarn, many fish. Now, less fish. Cat looks at yarn, looks at fish. Still confused. Cat tries same yarn next day.
The next day, no.
Still fewer fish. Cat confused. Cat sad. Cat realizes yarn buys less fish over time. Cat learns this is devaluation. Cat remembers past value of yarn. 1 yarn, many fish. Now, 1 yarn, little fish. Cat worried. Cat scared. Cat learns financial planning. Smart cat builds savings. Smart cat invests in gold. Now, cat smart. Cat learns wealth protection. Inflation makes yarn weak, but smart cat stays financially secure. Remember, more yarn needed, less fish given. That's inflation.